What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Jay Chanel. We go to the beach. Fuck this whole lot. We getting the munchies. That's why we in here. But it's our fit, guys.
How much is the
shirt from Sheen. Shirt from Sheen. Sheen. American Eagle. You know? Rocks. Yeezys. Get over here. Here we go with him matching with the Yeezys. Put them shits up. That's ghetto. I'm gonna propose to her. Yeah, that's my girlfriend. We're going to the beach, but this nigga be drinking. This Pips. Hips. Yeah. Let me get a twirl.
You know when you squish your butt cheeks mad hard like this?
Twirl. What you said?
Beach day? Ow. Do I deserve that?
Yes.
You did actually.
Beach 2023. Smile. Let's see you smile. Can I get a kiss on camera?
No, fuck you, nigga.
Come on, give him a kiss on
I'm
camera.
in trouble right now.
She didn't kiss you back, so that don't count.
I'm in trouble. Look at this.
Aww.
Beach day 2023.
Yeah, y'all so cute.
Go, cuz.
Put it like this, like someone's calling you. Now put it on your arm like a sleeve. All right, what do we have? We got turkey maple. Swiss cheese. Salami. American cheese. This is mad American cheese. OD. Last but not least, Chipotle chicken. But I ain't gonna lie, where the bread? Where the bread?
We got no bread. Not this one though. The sour leaf.
Right. I agree with Jaji.
The sour leaf.
You know what else you be eating? Where was that? You be eating shit like this.
No, the fuck I don't. You never see me eat no shit.
Oh,
like
this
that.
is what I was talking about. This shit is fire.
I fuck
You don't
with
like this?
cream cheese.
Toasted, heated up with cream cheese?
No. Where is it at? Come on. Hey guys, what you guys doing?
Nothing.
What you doing over there?
And they put it over here. Don't try this at home.
What you guys doing over there?
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing.
Got juice 2012 vibes. And I already down mine in the car. You already know.
No, yeah, they got.
I got water. I don't got that.
I'm just holding this.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, we got you.
Not too close.
We got
The only
you.
reason niggas. Oh my shirt. Don't get
Goofy.
that. That's promotion. That's bad promotion.
Goofy.
This is a landmark right here. We need to remember.
The bathroom?
Yeah.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, nigga. Maybe we just ain't been on the same.
Don't violate this basketball feet right here, you heard? Matter of fact, I'll give you something. I'm not ashamed of my shit. This is
On the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's
what?
This is not ash. Look, I'm about to show you.
No, stop. Don't do that. Wait.
Look, read this, watch. It's the same color. That ass not ash.
Oh, you got you too? At the beach? This is hot. Look at my toes. Oh my god, I can't go in the corner. Whoa, don't do no fuck shit, bro. Not even fucking cold.
Yo, you wildin'.
Nah, Della,
Yo,
yo,
you
wild.
shit, bro. Yo, you bugging, bro.
That's that Della shit. Sizzling.
Dummy.
That's that sizzling shit. Sizzling.
Oh, God.
Oh,
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, y'all wasted. Good looking, bro.
Damn.
Yo, what is that?
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't it.
I was looking for permission. Snow dive. Snow dive. Get it here. Wet and wavy. Damn! You fucking that shit up. Somebody going to war with it.
What's the problem?
Oh, right here.
Number 6 about eating ice cream?
Damn. I ain't supposed to be drinking this. Look at the position. It's good.
You're not funny.
Look at that shit. Look at the knee bent. Oh my God. Oh my God. Della. Yo.
Remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me